combat schedule.
Establishing visual contact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Command has covered. Assume your positions according to the combat schedule. Half ahead.
Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Hard of port. Captain, target has been captured. Fire on command.
I see a hit on the target.
The enemy has been destroyed. Establish visual contact. The target is within range. Torpedoes and enemy ships. Fire on command. Target hit. Target destroyed.
Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Full combat alert on the ship. Stand by. Port the helm. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Equipment is battle ready. All captains, enemy attack on base.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Establish visual contact.
Attention. Critical damage to the ship.
Take your positions. This is not a drill. The target is within range. Missiles launched. That's a hit. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire on command. Missiles launched. Enemy capture progress has been lost.
Establishing visual contact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Keeping watch.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Missile launched at target. Target hit. The enemy has been destroyed.
Rocket launch from ship detected.
We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. Captain, the target has been captured. Both engines, half speed ahead. Establish visual contact.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Torpedo 2, fire. Combat Unit 5, fight to save the ship.
Establishing visual contact.
Combat Unit 2, ready to launch the missile. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations.
Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target.
Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation. Enemy torpedo launch spotted.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Fire on command. Captain, units ready to fire. Target hit.
The enemy has launched missiles. Prepare for impact.
Captain, the target has been captured. Severe damage taken.
Establishing visual contact. Hit confirmed.
The target destroyed. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations. Half ahead. That's a hit. Torpedo fired. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire on command. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage. Abandoned ship, lifeboats into the water. We are discovered. Full combat alert. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Both engines, half speed ahead. Critical hits. Enemies have captured our base. Engines, full speed. Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Hit confirmed.
Permission to open fire requested.
Prepare to fire. Keeping watch.